Yes, and start. As regards issue numbers 2 and 4, the tribunal held that it was established that the vehicle in question, namely the aforesaid truck, was insured with the appellant insurance company at the time of the accident, but it was not established that the vehicle in question was plied under proper valid permit and fitness certificate and by the driver having valid driving license. Stop. Therefore, the tribunal held that the appellant insurance company would be liable to pay the amount of compensation with recovery right against the respondent number 2 bracket start Rajesh Kumar, owner of the vehicle in question bracket close. Stop. Issue numbers 2 and 4 were decided accordingly. Stop. As regards issue number 5, the tribunal held that the claim petition was not bad for non-joinder or necessary parties. Stop. Issue number 5 was decided accordingly. Stop. As regards issue number 3, the tribunal reiterated its findings that the accident took place on 17/7/2003 at 8 am due to rash and negligent driving by the driver of the vehicle in question, namely the aforesaid truck, which collided with electric pole, resulting in breaking of electric wires, and the electric wires fell down on gas cylinders loaded in the vehicle in question within bracket truck, due to which fire was caused, resulting in damages to the property of the claimant respondent number 1. Stop. The tribunal further reiterated its findings that the driver of the vehicle in question bracket truck was not having a valid driving license, permit and fitness certificate at the time of the accident. Stop. The tribunal further reiterated its finding that the vehicle in question within bracket truck was insured with the appellant insurance company. Stop. Para. Having reiterated the said findings, the tribunal held that the claimant respondent number 1 was entitled to compensation of rupees 3 lakhs in motor accident claim case number 621 of 2004 for damage to the property of the claimant respondent number 1 bracket start, namely the building belonging to the claimant respondent number 1, in which the garage of Measures Mohan Car Care Center was situated bracket close. Stop. The tribunal further held that the amount of compensation would be paid by the appellant insurance company to the claimant respondent number 1 with recovery right against the respondent number 2. Stop. The tribunal reiterated that as the vehicle in question bracket truck was being plied by the driver without proper driving license, route permit and fitness certificate, the appellant insurance company would be liable to pay the amount of compensation with recovery right against the owner of the vehicle in question. Stop. The tribunal further awarded interest at the rate of 6% per annum to the claimant respondent number 1. Stop. Over.